Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to install Stable Diffusion on your Windows or Linux PC. Even your grandpa will be able to install Stable Diffusion if he follows this tutorial. Yes, it's that simple. Plus, using Stable Diffusion will become much easier. Again, yes, even your grandpa can use it. Now, go to this website. It's a GitHub repository for Stable Diffusion UI. This project makes installing Stable Diffusion on Windows and Linux much easier. It's so simple. Actually, they do say here it's one-click installer for Stable Diffusion. Yes, it's really good. So to get started, just click on Windows or Linux, whichever you're using. I'm using the Windows. I'm gonna click on Windows, and again download for Windows. Click on that. Now it will download a zip file. The file is downloaded. Now go to your downloads folder and extract Stable Diffusion zip file. Now go to the extracted folder. In this folder you'll find another folder called Stable Diffusion UI. Copy this, all right, and put it into wherever you want to save it. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna save it to the drive's root directory. I'm gonna save it here. I'm doing this because I want to be organized, plus I don't want to lose the Stable Diffusion from the downloads folders. Sometimes, we clean up the download folders, so it's best to keep it organized, plus, have a different place for it. Now go to the folder Stable Diffusion. In here, all you need to do is start Stable Diffusion UI. Just click on that, double click on that, which will open a command prompt, and it will download the files and everything. You don't have to do anything. You may have to wait a little bit because it will download the Pythons and other extra required files and programs automatically. Yeah, you just have to wait. Depending on the internet speed, it will take some time. So I have a 300 megabits per second internet speed, so let's see how long it takes for me. I'm just gonna have a water. You don't have to do anything, just chill, sit back, relax, and yeah, do whatever you want. Come back after 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, it took me exactly 13 minutes. Once everything goes smooth, it will automatically open a web browser, and you will see this Stable Diffusion UI. This is the thing where you start to use the Stable Diffusion. You can input the prompt here and make an image, or you can also use an image to generate the new image. I don't need to explain you guys what Stable Diffusion is, right? Yeah. There are so many features, so many settings, advanced settings that you can apply here. You don't have to use a command prompt anymore. You have to run it through the command prompt, but you can use it from a web browser. Stable Diffusion UI, that's what it is called, and that's all you need to do to install Stable Diffusion, or you can say Stable Diffusion UI. So it's a Stable Diffusion, but UI. It's easy to install plus easy to use. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you still have any questions or have any suggestions, you can always do the comment. We can have some chit chat in the comments too, or you can also visit the GitHub page. From here you can learn more about this. Actually, I forgot. How do you use it again if you need to? Well, go to the Stable Diffusion UI folder again and run the same file again. Start Stable Diffusion UI. Just double click on it. This time you don't have to download anything because you have downloaded everything already. This time it will automatically work just like that. It will automatically open your default browser. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.